Hi friends and family, and welcome back. Thank you for joining me again. Today we're going to be reviewing the Chic Beauty Box, and I just literally opened this now because I had to cut the seal, so I have not seen what is in the box just yet, although this is a bi-monthly subscription. So this is the January-February box, and it is $34.99. You do get to choose all of your items as long as you log in around choice. So I do know what I'm getting in here. This is an all makeup subscription, which is why it's one of my favorite, because I don't do a lot of skincare. So this is super exciting. But before we open this up, I just want to mention I've been making my own t-shirts, and I had a couple of patches left over, and you know I love Hello Kitty, so I just ironed this on like a $3 Walmart shirt. But super exciting. Like, I just wanted to share that with you guys because it's just fun and adorable. So now let's go ahead and for real get into the Chic Beauty Box. Here, oh, it's falling apart. Alright, so inside you do get a card. It looks like the theme this month is for Valentine's. It does say Happy Valentine's Day with those cute little hearts. The cool thing about this box is they do give you your variations and a complete total at the end, or at the bottom here. However, this isn't always exact because you do have choice items. So you could have some from other columns in here, but I still think this is a really neat idea. Then you don't have to do your own totals and tallies. So there's that part. So the first thing that I see in here, and I did choose this, is the Vegas Nay eyelashes. I think that in this section there was only 2 options, and this was the better option for me personally. So I'm super excited to try these. I haven't heard Vegas Nay for a while. I know she was fairly popular a while back, and I haven't heard anything about her lately. So this is fun to see that she's still showing up in the makeup community. This says that they are feather light fill with adhesive included, which is really nice to have. I don't know if you can see here, the adhesive, which is nice. I'm not sure if that means it's the glue or just the band has stickiness to it, so we shall find out. So for this, the retail value looks like it is $8.88. So $8.88 is a good number in spirituality. I say that we're off to a good start. Okay, the next thing that I see in here is the Voluptuous NYX mascara. So look at this pretty tubing, very pretty. And let's go ahead and see what the wand looks like, because for me it's all about the wand, and that's a huge deal for me in determining how much I'm going to like the mascara. This is a kind of a little bit of a huge, kind of a little bit generic-y wand. That's fine. The formula may be good, so we'll give it a try. Worst case with this is you just pick a wand from a mascara that you do like, and hopefully the formula is good. NYX is a really good brand, so I think that this is promising. So it looks like the NYX Lush Lash mascara is also $8.88. So there's that guy, and let's see what else we got. Oh yes, I was so worried I wasn't gonna get the NARS lipstick, because when I went in to choose, it said that they were all sold out. However, it still let me click on it, so I was like, well, worst case is I'll get, I think it was the Becca lipstick, which is not a horrible thing. Like, I would have been good with either one of them, so I was like, let me just go ahead and see if I'm gonna get this. And I did, and this one is in the color Dulce Vida, so Sweet Life. Come on. I don't know why my camera does that sometimes. Okay, there we go. So let's go ahead and check out this Sweet Life lipstick. Looks like, oh, this is gorgeous packaging. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh! Anyway, I know, I still do cheesy things sometimes, just who I am as a person. Oh, that's so pretty. I love the packaging alone. All right, let me see. That's kind of, oh, I'm trying to turn it and you just pull it. Oh, that's pretty. I believe this was, I think it's sheer, if I remember correctly. So yeah. All right, so not much pigment. More of, yeah, just like a tint of color. Still, it is, oh, come on. Yeah, so it's still very gorgeous color on the lips. I think I'm going to like it. Super, super excited. This, you guys won't believe this, is my first NARS product. So let's see how much this is. NARS Afterglow. So it's the NARS Afterglow Lip Balm and it is $28. So I believe, looks like I have variation number 2 so far, but again, I won't know that for sure. Okay, next item. Oh, I got a Becca lipstick in here as well. Huh, interesting. Ooh, this one is in the color Merlot. So that looks pretty. So like I was saying, I would have been happy with the Becca, and it's exciting that they still went ahead and put that in here. So, oh, this is a nice huge tube. I was just making sure that it was in fact a lipstick just because of how big it is. Look how pretty the packaging is, how big the tube is. Yeah, all right. Oh, that's a gorgeous color. Ooh, very seductive. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Oh, I like it. It's definitely not too dark. So there's that one. Look at how pretty that color is. It'll be nice with that sheer top. Even though this seems a little glossy itself, it still looks like it'll be very nice together. So this is, let me look here, we got Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love is $24. So we're off to, I mean, we're doing really great. Looks like we have one more item in here, and I'm really excited about this because it's another first timer for me. This was a palette that I got to choose. Oh, they wrapped it really good too. Oh, and it's popping as I'm opening. So this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. So I have not ever tried Tarte eyeshadows. I don't have a Tarte eyeshadow palette. I've always thought they were gorgeous and beautiful, but when I went to buy my items or my palettes, I was always like, I'm gonna stick to what I know, and so I never got this. But look at how gorgeous this is. Isn't that beautiful? And look how big this is. This is such a good size, you guys. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, look at all of those gorgeous colors. Yeah, we gotta swatch some of these for sure. Ooh. Ooh, I don't even know where to start. Let's get this pearl color. We'll get this blue color and this purple color. Oh, it's like a gray. Okay, here is the swatches on my fingers. Let's go ahead and see what that, oh, very nice. Oh, I can't wait to play around with this. Look at this. Okay, so here's that dark blue color, here's that pearl, and then here is this, I thought it was like a purple, it's like a purplish gray tone, and it's beautiful. Oh man, so this is exciting. Oh, one thing I just realized as well is it comes with a little card that gives you the ideas on how to do your eyeshadow look. So that's also nice. So the Tarte palette is $36. So we have a really good variety here. So let's go ahead and do the recap. So my favorite is the Tarte eyeshadow palette. We've got the Vegas Nay eyelashes. We have the mascara. We have the Becca lipstick and the NARS lipstick. So that was 5 items, all full size. I'm happy with the box. Again, I'm super stoked for this box because I like all makeup items. I don't care for skincare as much. And Lord knows if you've seen all my other videos, we've had hydrating creams for like November, December, and January, and in all boxes across the board. So I have face cream coming out of my ears right now, literally. Like, you see it? You see it coming out? Anyway, I'm joking. So anyway, what did you guys think? Do you get Chic Beauty Box? Do you think it's a good deal? Again, it's a bi-monthly box, so it's not $34 every month, it's every other month, which kind of helps ease that pricing a little bit. All full-size items, you get to choose the items of what they have available. They always have awesome, beautiful things to choose from. I love this box. One of my favorite subscriptions just because of the fact that it's all makeup, that alone. So anyway, I will go ahead and put the total somewhere on the screen, just because I did get a mix of the variation from each column. Specifically variation 2 and 3, so I'll put that on the screen. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram as well. I put a lot of other cool things on there. I swatch all of the makeup palettes that we get, and I also will take a lovely picture, usually at nighttime, of all of my subscription box variations. And so yeah, I would love for you guys to join me. And again, thank you very much, and I hope you all have a great, wonderful rest of your week. Thank you.